Hi guys! You're probably already familiar with how Morocco Method is renowned for its natural, high-quality hair care products. But did you know that their benefits extend far beyond hair care? These amazing products can multitask, making them indispensable for any natural beauty and wellness routine. Take the Diamond Crystal Mist, for example. It serves as a leave-in conditioner, a refreshing face mist, a hypoallergenic deodorant, and a makeup setting spray all in one. The Euro oil can deeply moisturize the scalp, hair, face, and body, and even function as an effective cuticle treatment, makeup remover, and overnight hydrating hand or foot treatment. For those seeking a dual-purpose cleanser, the Earth Essence Shampoo and Sea Essence Shampoo also excel as exfoliating body washes, leaving both hair and skin rejuvenated. Our 24/7 Styling Dragon Pomade, typically used for hair, also works wonders as a moisturizing chapstick and a styling product for eyebrows, beards, and mustaches. The Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel, rich in natural aloe, soothes and moisturizes the skin, making it ideal for shaving and as an after-sun treatment. Morocco Method conditioners can also be used as hydrating shaving aids, and the shampoo bar serves as an all-in-one face and body wash perfect for travel and eco-friendly with its compostable packaging. These are just a few of many examples. Check out our website, blogs, and other videos for more ideas. By integrating these versatile products into your daily routine, you can experience the holistic benefits of Morocco Method, ensuring that your hair, skin, and overall health are nourished and protected. Explore the multi-use magic of Morocco Method and elevate your self-care regimen today. Please make sure you read the ingredients on your hair care products. There's a lot of so-called natural hair care companies popping up, but they either don't list their ingredients, or if you look at them, they're not natural at all. We are the original natural hair care method for hair restoration, handmade in small batches for over 50 years. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.